As of now, it's not chaotic. This is the Prayagraj Chioki station. Not very crowded. Reached Vijayawada Junction. So the train Madras Gaya Superfast Express, it's almost a 30-hour journey until Prayagraj. I have reached Prayagraj Chioki Junction after a 30-hour journey. The platform doesn't seem to be very crowded, so I don't know what awaits me ahead. Let's hope for a lovely dip in the Ganga. As of now, it's not chaotic. This is the outskirts, so not very crowded. I suppose I've come at the right time for the Kumbh dip. Here's the Yamuna river. I'm seeing it as we are driving in the car. Continuous stream of people walking who've come for Kumbh. People are carrying their belongings on their head and walking. So much of devotion coming for Kumbh. So I'm walking towards the Sangam, which is 0.3 kilometers, and going for my dip. You can see a mass of humanity there going to take a dip and coming back. So finally I've reached Prayagraj and going for a dip. See this crowd, a mass of humanity. So I have to juggle through this crowd and reach the Sangam. You can see only heads. Sangam knows. Look at this mass of humanity here. So, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Hara Hara Gange. These are the various bridges created to walk. The river Ganga flowing. On the Shahi Snan dates, these bridges are like you can't even walk. So now that most of the Shahi Snan dates are over, we can walk. So I'm going to be entering one of these bridges. This is the Ganga here. So here the dip was quite nice because it's not crowded, whereas Sangam Nose was very crowded. So I enjoyed my dip here, and this place is not very crowded. These are the various akhadas, different spiritual groups, lot of akhadas. Sangam, extremely grateful. Om Namah Shivaya.
उन्हें पारिजात पुष्पों की एक दिव्य माला भेंट की, जिसे इंद्रदेव ने साधारण पुष्पों की माला समझ स्वयं धारण न कर उसे अपने वाहक गजराज ऐरावत के मस्तक पर रख दिया। पल भर में गजराज ने वो माला पर गिरा, उसे अपने पैरों तले रौंद दिया। ऋषि दुर्वासा से
हरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर. It's around 6:30 now. We are taking a boat ride to reach the Sangam. Crossing the Allahabad Fort. The sun is rising. सूरज को धरती तर से, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को चंद्रमा. सूरज को धरती तर से, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को चंद्रमा. Heading to the railway station to take my train back to Coimbatore. Exiting Prayagraj after my tip.
Hey, have you subscribed to Manchanmal? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.